Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If some keys on your Lenovo Yoga aren't responding, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to dust or debris obstructing the key mechanisms, or it might indicate a deeper problem with the keyboard circuitry. If left unresolved, this can lead to further keyboard failures and potential complications with your device's functionality. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard that is compatible with your Lenovo Yoga. Begin by ensuring your device is powered down and unplugged. To open the Lenovo Yoga safely, start by flipping it over and locating the screws that secure the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back off, you'll be able to see the keyboard assembly. The problem likely lies with the keyboard connection to the motherboard. Carefully locate the ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Use your tweezers to gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab. Now, you can remove the faulty keyboard by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Take your time and apply steady, gentle pressure when removing these screws to avoid stripping them. Once the keyboard is free, align the new keyboard in place and reattach it by screwing it back in. Make sure to reconnect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's secured firmly in its slot. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is reassembled, carefully replace the back cover, making sure all clips are properly engaged, and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga and test the keyboard to confirm that all keys are functioning as they should. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, try to keep your keyboard clean by regularly removing dust and debris. Using a keyboard cover can also help protect against spills and dirt. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.